Hello my dear flowers. Today we have English lecture lesson 22. Our subject is sound. Woo. Woo. I hope you will enjoy the lecture. Let's go. First of all, we have the picture of this sound and we will look at the picture, then we'll make a story for it. Now kids, I'm going to narrating a story about this picture. Listen to me carefully. Let's start. It is spring. The weather is very cloudy. Mr. John wants to go to the hill. He wears a blue coat and a green hat. Suddenly, a wind blows and says, "Woo, woo." The tree moves by the wind. Look, the cat catches the tree, and there is a snake on the rock. Now kids, let's see the flashcards. Start with this sound. We have, who can tell me the name of this picture? Do you have these types of picture? Yes, this is called wallet. Wallet. Let's make a sentence for wallet. Who can tell me? I have a brown wallet. Wallet is small. Money is in the wallet. How about this? You can see these kids. This is called walk. Walk. Let's make a sentence for walk. Kids are walking. I can walk. How about this? Who can tell me the name of this picture? Do you know what it is? Oh, okay, I'm going to tell you. This is called window. Window. Let's make a sentence for window. Sarah opened the window. There is one window in my bedroom. Window is big. How about this? Who can tell me the name of this? This is called whistle. Whistle. Let's make a sentence for whistle. Umpire has whistle. Tom is whistling. Tom is whistled for his dog. How about this? Who can tell me what it is? This is called oh my god, what is this sound? Who can tell me? Who can tell me what is this sound? This is called wind. Wind. Let's make a sentence for wind. It is windy today. There is a cold wind today. How about this? This is a type of fruit. I like this fruit a lot. This is called watermelon. Watermelon. Let's make a sentence for watermelon. I like watermelon. Watermelon is yummy. Who can tell me what it is? Who can tell me the name of this picture? We have water inside this. This is called water. Very good. Water. Let's make a sentence for water. Water is in the bottle. Excellent. Water is useful. I like water. Now kids, look at the picture very well. This is spring and the weather is very windy. Look, this is a windy day and we have an apple tree. The apple is falling down from the tree and it goes into the bowl. We have 5 bowls. Look, each of the bowls have a name on it and each of the apples have one picture on it. Now the apple falls into the bowl. Let's see how the apple is falling down. This is whistle, watermelon, water, wallet, and window. Thanks for your listening. Have a nice day.